Hello students, welcome once again in our new video. Today we are turning towards our fourth poem, that is 2.4, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. In our first video we have gone through all the activities in icebreakers. Now we are turning towards our poet. Edgar Guest, 1881 to 1959. Edgar Guest was born in England and was brought to the United States when he was 10 years old. He began his writing career in 1895 at the age of 14. Edgar Guest is known as people's poet for his simple style and optimistic tone of writing. Guest is an American writer of newspaper and magazines. This is an inspirational poem. In this poem, the speaker is asking the readers whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. It is up to you whether you will have a better future or not. Therefore, one should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. See, our poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? This is an inspirational poem. The poet Edgar Guest focuses on the importance of human relationship. In this poem, the poet gave his importance towards human relationship. In this poem, the poet addresses us to be good, to be kind to others. Here, the poem is full of questions. Here, the speaker asks the readers so many questions. Our poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, is a 4-stanza poem. If you've gone through the textbook, you will notice that there are 4 stanzas in the poem. Each stanza has 4 lines. 4 lines are called as quatrains. So each stanza has 4 lines. Our poem opens with a question. If you have glanced through the poem, you notice that each stanza contains 2 or sometimes 3 questions. See? 4 stanzas are there in the poem, and in each stanza, the poet, our speaker, asks the readers a question. Sometimes there are 2 questions, sometimes there are 3 questions in the poem. पोएममध्ये टोटल 4 स्टॅन्झाज आहेत. प्रत्येक स्टॅन्झामध्ये स्पीकरने रीडर्सला काही क्वेश्चन्स विचारलेले आहेत. द क्वेश्चन्स आर रिलेटेड टू द फ्युचर as well as the questions are related to the readers. Here the speaker, our poet, asks the readers a question about their behavior with the other people. See the first stanza. Page number 112. Have you earned your tomorrow? See the first stanza. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? See, how many questions are there? There are 3 questions in this stanza. The poem opens itself with a question. Here, the speaker directly asks a question to the reader. What is the question? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? It means that here the poet is asking that have you made anyone's day better today? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? That is there anybody in your life that you came in that particular person's life and you made that person's life happy? He asked the readers a question that is anybody happier because you passed his way? की तुम्ही एखाद्याच्या लाईफमध्ये गेलेला आहात आणि त्याचं जीवन तुम्ही हॅपियर बनवलेलं आहे का, आनंदी बनवलेलं आहे का? म्हणजेच कवीला इथे काय विचारायचं, आपल्या पोएटला इथे काय विचारायचं आहे की तुम्हाला भेटून आज कुणाला आनंद झालेला आहे का? ओके. डज एनीवन रिमेंबर that you spoke to him today? Does there anyone who remember you that today you spoke with that person? की अशी एखादी व्यक्ती आहे का की तिला तुम्ही आजही आठवताय की आज तुम्ही तिच्याशी बोललेला आहात? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? See, this day is almost over. Today, this day is almost over. So it is the end of this day. So it is over. And its toiling time is through. See the word toiling time. It is a phrase. Toiling time means time spent in hard physical work. म्हणजेच काय? Time spent in hard physical work. म्हणजे आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणू कष्ट करण्यात घालवलेला वेळ. So this day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Your hard work is finished for this day today. की आज म्हणजे जेवढं काही कष्ट करायचं होतं, काम करायचे होते, हे काम तुमचं संपलेलं आहे. This day is over. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? So, is there anyone who will speak about you, who will speak about the good behavior in you? Here the poet asks the readers a question that still today, is there anybody who will remember you at the end of the day? की आता दिवसाचा तर शेवट झालेला आहे. सगळी कामं आजची आपल्याली संपलेली आहेत आणि या दिवसाच्या शेवटी अशी एखादी व्यक्ती आहे का की जिला तुम्ही आठवताय की आज तुम्ही तिच्याशी बोललेला आहात किंवा आज तुमच्यामुळे तिच्या लाईफमध्ये कुठेतरी आनंदाचे क्षण आलेले आहेत आणि दिवसभर थकून दिवसाचा जेव्हा एंड होतोय, शेवट होतोय, त्यावेळेला त्या व्यक्तीला तुम्ही आठवताय. अशी एखादी व्यक्ती तुमच्या लाईफमध्ये आहे का? सी, आस्क युअरसेल्फ दीज क्वेश्चन्स. that is there anybody who still remember you at the end of the day? की दिवसाच्या शेवटी अशी एखादी व्यक्ती आहे का की तिला तुम्ही आठवताय? See the next stanza. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? Or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng? Were you selfish, pure, and simple as you rushed along the way? Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? See, once again, how many questions are there? 3 questions are there. See what the speaker is asking the reader. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? Did anybody there with whom you meet with a cheerful greeting who came along? See, just think about your friend who came to you for your help. And did you give a cheerful meeting? Did you meet that person? Did you meet that friend happily? Did you remember? Do you remember such things? की एखादा फ्रेंड तुमच्याकडे आलेला आहे मदतीसाठी आणि त्या मित्राला, त्या मैत्रिणीला तुम्ही अगदी आनंदाने भेटलेला आहात. म्हणजे एखाद्याने आपल्याकडे मदतीचा हात मागितलेला आहे तर तुम्ही त्या व्यक्तीला आनंदाने भेटलेले आहात का? असं तुम्हाला आठवतंय का? Or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng. See the word churlish. Churlish means rude. म्हणजे उद्धट. And see the next word howdy. Howdy, an informal friendly greeting. Informal friendly greeting means when we meet someone we said hi, hello, how are you? So these are called as friendly greeting. So these are the informal friendly greeting. It is called as howdy, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng. If anybody came to you, if any friend of yours came to you and asked for the help, at that time what you did, you just said hi and hello and then vanish from there, or you stop there to help that particular friend. What you did, की एखादी व्यक्ती, एखादा फ्रेंड तुमच्याकडे मदतीसाठी आलेला आहे, तर त्या मित्राला, मैत्रिणीला तुम्ही आनंदाने भेटलायत, की जस्ट हाय हॅलो करून तिथून अदृश्य झालेला आहात. व्हॅनिश म्हणजे अदृश्य होणे. तुम्ही नक्की काय केलेलं आहे? Were you selfish, pure, and simple as you rushed along the way? So, how was your behavior? Were you selfish, pure, and simple as you rushed along the way? How was you when you meet a particular friend who was in need? How was your behavior? की एखादा मित्र किंवा मैत्रीण तुमच्याकडे आलेली आहे आणि तुमचं बिहेवियर कसं होतं, की तुम्ही थांबून त्या मित्राला किंवा मैत्रिणीला मदतीचा हात दिलेला आहे, की तुम्ही तिथून हाय हॅलो करून अदृश्य झालेला आहात. Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Or the speaker is asking that did you act differently? Did you give favor to someone today? If someone really grateful to you for the work you did today, for him, so the poet is asking here what you did. Did you act selfishly, uncaringly, or you care for that particular friend? How was your behavior with that particular friend? की तुम्ही त्या मित्राशी, मैत्रिणीशी नेमकं कसं वागलेला आहात, असं पोएट विचारतोय. सी द नेक्स्ट स्टॅन्झा. Can you say tonight, in parting with the days that sleeping fast, that you helped a single brother of the many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? See, once again, how many questions are there? There are 2 questions. See, can you say tonight, in parting with the days that sleeping fast, that you help a single brother of the many that you passed? See, at the end of the day, when you go for sleep, when you go to your bed, that can you say to yourself that you help a single brother? Brother, here brother means friend, that many people came to you for the help, for asking your help. So is there anybody that you help that particular person? That can you say tonight with yourself that you help a single friend of yours? की आज रात्री झोपताना तुम्हाला असं आठवतंय का की बरेच लोक तुमच्याकडे मदतीचा हात मागण्यासाठी आलेले आहेत आणि तुम्ही त्यांना मदत केलेली आहे. Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? That you means in the whole day we meet lots of people. So here the speaker is asking the reader that is there a single heart who rejoicing over what you did or said, what you did today, what you said today, that is there any person, is there a single person who become happy because of you? की तुमच्यामुळे अशी एखादी व्यक्ती आहे का की ती आज आनंदी आहे? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? See, does there any a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? That sometimes means if you met a person that who was in depression, who was in sorrow, and you helped that person, and because of you that he got courage. Is there anybody who was in depression but now it is because of you that he got करेज टू लुक अहेड. की एखादी व्यक्ती जी डिप्रेशनमध्ये आहे, निराशा तिच्या लाईफमध्ये असेल किंवा एखादा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, अशा व्यक्तीला तुम्ही भेटल्यामुळे, तुमच्यामुळे तिच्या लाईफमधलं नैराश्य दूर झालेलं आहे का आणि तिला जगण्याची नवीन उमेद मिळालेली आहे का, असं पोएट विचारतोय. अँड सी द लास्ट स्टॅन्झा. डिड यू वेस्ट द डे or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? See, it is very interesting stanza. What the reader is asking, what the speaker is asking here, see. Did you waste the day or lose it? What you did today? You waste the day or you achieve whatever your goal was? Was it well or sorely spent? How was your day? It was well spent or it was sorely spent? How was your day spent? How was your day spent? Was it spent uselessly or was it a well day for you? तुमचा दिवस कसा गेलेला आहे? तुमचा दिवस कसा स्पेंड झालेला आहे? इट वॉज वेल और इट वॉज स्पेंड सॉरली. की असाच फ्युटाईल किंवा आपण असं म्हणतो निरुपयोगी, व्यर्थ गेलेला आहे का, याचं म्हणजे त्या दिवसाचं सार्थक तुमच्या हातून घडलेलं आहे. डिड यू लीव अ ट्रेल ऑफ काइंडनेस or a scar of discontent? How was your day? How was the day? How was your behavior on that particular day? Was you kind or a scar of discontent? How was your day? Was you kind to the others or you behave in a different manner? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? See, slumber means sleep. When you go to bed, when you close your eyes to sleep, at that time would you think that God would say to you that you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? What you think about yourself? When you think about yourself in the night, when you close your eyes, that what you think that God would say to you that you have earned your tomorrow with your good deeds, with your good speech, with your good behavior. की तुम्हाला असं वाटतंय का की आज झोपायला गेल्यानंतर, डोळे बंद केल्यानंतर गॉड तुम्हाला बोलणार आहे की तुमचं आजचं जे बिहेवियर होतं, तुमचं जे वागणं होतं, तुमचं जे बोलणं होतं, हे खूप चांगलं होतं आणि म्हणून तुम्ही आणखीन एक दिवस अर्न केलेला आहे, कमावलेला आहे. सो तुम्ही दिवस कमावलाय की गमावलाय? तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय? हाऊ वॉज युअर बिहेवियर? इट मीन्स दॅट हिअर द पोएट आस्क द रीडर्स टू रीड themselves, to read how was their behavior, to think about themselves, how was their behavior, how was their speech towards the अदर पीपल. की तुमचं जे दिवसभरातलं वागणं इतरांसाठीचं जे आहे, की खरंच तुम्ही चांगलं वागले आहेत की वाईट वागलेलं आहेत. दिवसाच्या शेवटी हा विचार करायचा आहे. झोपायला जाणार आहात तेव्हा डोळे बंद करून पूर्ण दिवस आपण कसं वागलो आहोत किंवा काय बोललोय, कुणाचं मन दुखावलंय की आपल्यामुळे कुणाला फायदा झालेला आहे किंवा कुणाच्या लाईफमध्ये आपण आनंद निर्माण केलेला आहे, हे पोएटने आपल्याला विचार करायला सांगितलेला आहे. इट मीन्स दॅट आवर पोएम स्पीक्स about the importance of human relationship. In the next video, we are turning towards the activities in brainstorming. Okay? Thank you.